draw.
You want to draw? I'll draw, and you read, okay? It's harder. What does that say?
Cat.
Cat.
Mama.
What does it say here?
Wow. Cat. 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 Ha.
What does that say?
Cat. Let's do.
What?
Let's do.
What does it say? Your mouth is full. Why don't you chew and finish chewing first?
Let's do.
Don't talk with. Oh. See, that's what happens. Do you want to spit it out? Thank you. Okay, what does it say?
Emma.
More what?
Dad.
More drawing? Okay. How about this? Why don't we write it like this? What does this say?
Cat.
Look.
Yellow.
Yellow. Good job. Can you sign yellow?
Cat. Cat.
Can you sign yellow?
Emma.
More? Okay, what does it say here? What does it say here?
Nap.
No.
Nap.
What does this say?
Nap.
I probably misspelled it.
Play. Papa.
Hippopotamus. Good job. What does it say here?
Ooh. Puppy.
What does it say?
Hey.
Hand. Where's your hand?
Hand.
Hand. Good job. What does it say here?
Turtle.
What is it?
Turtle.
Our turtle. Can you sign turtle? How do you sign turtle? Like this. Can you tell me what this is?
Cat. Turtle.
Turtle. What does this say?
Hat.
Hat. Can you sign hat? Hat.
Ah. Cat.
What does this say?
Nap.
What does this say?
Kitty.
Drinking. Oh, drinking. Very good. What does this say? What does this say?
Brown.
Brown. What does this say?
Brown.
What does this say?
Brown.
Brown. What does this one say?
The yellow.
Yellow up there. What is this one?
A brown. Brown.
Brown. What about this one? Right here.
Cat.
Cat. Okay, what about what about this?
Run.
Run. Can you sign run? Run. Like this? What? Run. What's this?
Run.
Run. What's this?
Down.
This one.
Down. Ah.
What about this one? Look.